This shocking video captures the moment when missing 11-year-old Adriana Younge was found lifeless in a pool at Doubleday Hotel in Tushen, East Bank, Essequibo, Guyana. Reports indicate that Younge disappeared around 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday while swimming with her family. Her relatives claim that the hotel owner and staff were reluctant to assist in their search efforts.
Slingerz, wish life ever undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs gone. Enough gone. Hear me now. Wish life ever undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs pass. We travel a rough path, but Jaja give me strength for me continue walk. Tell him thanks with the psalms. The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the past, but the memories undo my back. Strapped so we don't sleep, oh, them gonna don't claim. We tired of R.I.P, yo, we miss a play hide and seek. Yo, take back the cash, take back the fame. Me a keep the fire, father, son, and stop the rain. Got the key, if me not see me brother, me cannot behave. I never did so evil till my family change, yo. I'm not the same, and realize that even money not gonna stop the pain. Tell the clouds to give me back my tears. Tell the world, say, Slingerz, wish life ever undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs gone. Enough gone. Hear me now. Wish life ever undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs pass. We travel a rough path. Yo, Slingerz, we in a darkness from early, so me end up in a war when no concern me. Me say family but see my fam turn snitch. Me no walk palm bridge cause everyone burning. No me say nobody quit, this is a long journey. Enough boy fit dead but the trouble not worth it. I try clean now cause my past dirty. Can't count people where pussy clot hurt me. Already say fuck love, why start searching? Wish me coulda press a button and see star around me. Still I got smile though all lonely. I'm in a try crowd thing. Yo, Slingerz, wish life ever undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs gone. Enough gone. Hear me now. Wish life ever undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs pass. We travel a rough path, but Jaja give me strength for me continue walk. Tell him thanks with the psalms. The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the past, but the memories undo my back. Strapped so we don't sleep, oh, them gonna don't claim. We tired of R.I.P, yo, we miss a play hide and seek.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shali, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say one year epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.